What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I wanted to make a video of all the stuff I picked up from the Montreal Auto Show. I was there like a few days ago with my dad. It's like a tradition that we have. We've went there for like the last 10 years or more. So let's start. So the first thing that I got was this diecast of a Liberty Walk R34 GTR. Let it focus. Yeah. So it's black and red, and it has Advan GTs, and it even has like tire stickers on it. So I thought it was pretty cool. So I picked it up. So the next thing that I got was this Liberty Walk S15 with Advan GTs. And I thought the livery was cool, so I got it. So yeah. And the next one, the last diecast that I got from the show was this Treno AE86. It is a Panda, but it doesn't have the Fujiwara Tofu Shop livery. But I'm a big fan of AE86s, so I got it. So the next thing that I got was this Advan tent with a set of Advan GT wheels, and it will complement my two diecasts with a Advan livery. I'm a big Advan livery fan, so I had to get it. And then the next thing that I got was this sticker from Convoy. They're giving away this Toyota Chaser, and you could actually see it in person there. So they gave me this free sticker, and they also gave me this air freshener with the same Chaser, and on the other side it's the back of the Chaser, which I think is pretty cool. And then the next thing that I got was this BMW were giving some free coffee, and they were giving it in this plastic cup, or paper cup I mean, with the M logo. And I finished the coffee and cleaned the cup, and I'm gonna save it because I like the M logo. And the last thing that I got was this keychain from Jeep, and it's pretty high quality. It has leather here, and it's kind of heavyweight, and it has this pretty nice clip. And yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.